For that, let's get to United Spirits. That's in focus after the company has announced a management change. Delta Corp also on our radar. Weak Q3 numbers here. Mangalam is here with the details.
Well, if you look at United Spirits, another day where in the FMCG space there has been a surprising exit from the leadership. This time around, Hina Nagarajan has decided to step down as the MD and CEO of United Spirits from 31st March 2025, and that's largely because she will be taking on another role in Diageo itself. My senses would be a lot more global than Indian itself. And as a result of which, the management has announced the replacement as well. And we'll have Praveen Someshwar, who is currently the MD and CEO of HT Media. He's been there for the last 5 years, who takes over with effect as MD and CEO from April 1 itself. That's the next financial year. And before HT Media, he was with PepsiCo for about 24 years. So, well, in MNCs, there are these leadership changes that happen, but typically the transition is what causes the uncertainty, and as a result of which the stock is lower in today's trading session. Mind you, the last 4 years under Hina Nagarajan's leadership were very strong for the company. The stock also rallied nearly 3.5 times in her tenure as MD and CEO. On the other hand, Delta Corp, remember the third quarter typically very strong for travelers going to Goa, for the casino and the kind of businesses that these companies are in. And the street was expecting a decent set of numbers, but the company actually went ahead and reported a 7.5% decline in their overall revenues, and that's actually led to a bigger decline in the operational performance because of operating leverage. So the stock, is lower in today's trading session after the EBITDA declined by 42% and margins compressed by over 1,000 basis points. Across both their segments, casino as well as online, there was an operational dent. In the casino business, they actually saw a revenue decline of about 3.5% as well. Remember, Delta Corp has been under pressure ever since the GST change of 28% tax on the face value of all the bets came about for, casinos and online gaming itself.
Thank you so much for that, Mangalam. Keep an eye out on both these stocks. But time for a very short break. But